I'm going to show you how to finish up a cathedral window quilt on your longarm quilting machine. First, you're going to put a raw edge square of fabric in the middle of your HSTs. Then you're going to fold over your HST, your half square triangle, that's my white fabric, and I'm going to secure the edge of that down until I get just into the raw part of the fabric so I know that it's locked in place. I'll finally fold that over, use my ruler to hold down the fabric so that I can get a nice consistent curved edge, and I'm going to stitch that down until I get to the other end. If I have to, I'll reposition my ruler, make sure that my fabric is still where it needs to be, and then I'm going to cover the corner of that fabric with the finished edge of my HST, my half square triangle, that's sewn in. I'll do this until I get to the final corner. So past the tip, and make sure that you stop with your needle in the up position so your hopping foot is raised, and then you're going to fold over the second edge of your half square triangle to make the next part of your cathedral window curved diamond. You're going to sew again until you get into where that fabric is sitting, right where I start my grogu fabric. I stop, my needle can stay down to hold everything in, and then I'm just going to reposition my fabric to make sure it covers the entirety of the raw edge. Once I'm where I need to be, I will move my ruler to kind of lock down and hold down that fabric and give me a nice steady curve. Notice that my ruler kind of moves with me and I'm just sewing right at the edge of that folded over fabric. So past the tip again, and then you stop with your needle up and repeat the process. So I got the white, I'm going to sew until I get onto that grogu alien fabric, stop with my needle down, fold over, cover the fabric, place my ruler, and continue until I'm done. It's not the most perfect finish in the world, but it closes all of my edges and it makes it so that I can use and wash my quilt. The main thing you want to do is make sure that each corner of these raw edge squares that are in here are definitely covered by that fabric. You'll see me really pull those tips over so that it covers every raw edge, and I just sew just to the outside so that way I can get as close to the fabric as possible. But it ends up with a really stunning finish. Super easy. Be sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Catch you later. Happy quilting, y'all. Bye.